just going to take my time and get ready, tidy up my room, and then go to work. It's a pretty meh day today, nothing really special happening, but I'll take you guys with me. I hope you have a great day. I hope you're doing well. I'm trying to get back to doing daily vlogs. I used to do weekend vlogs, and I'm probably gonna do weekend vlogs again. It's just that I haven't had the time, so yeah. Say hi. Hi. Yeah.
What's up, everyone? Welcome to 30 Days of Yoga with Adrian. I'm Adrian, and I'm super excited. It's day one, y'all.
Just finished yoga. I feel relaxed and like I did an exercise, so it's like a double whammy, win-win. I feel like I want to just go to bed right now, but I have to get ready and then leave to get to work.
So go ahead of it and say, keep me from the evil of the day. Choose fellowship with God daily.
Look at them coming on the outside to come push me. Like, seriously? And then he's going to go on this outside and then push somebody in the front. Like, the pro boxes are a dime a dozen and they are such a nuisance on the road. One! Look how many of them. You just have to be so careful on the road because they will literally mash up your car. Alright, guys. Morning. Morning. Morning.
Do you guys eat cereal?
So true. What is it?
You see you every day. Hi. Thank you. Huh? Right? Have to do better, man. So this is dinner. Might as well I just bought the Burger King because this is what, 110 calories and this is 380. So that's 400 and something, but I'm still under calories for the day, so I'm pretty happy for that. I saved money. Saved money. It's literally nothing special, just a tuna and the ramen. Skin flavor in there.
Yeah, I figured you'd have a little fun. Maybe pick up a few tricks with you.
I couldn't wait until weekend because I said weekend I was going to wash my hair. It started itching because I have eczema. I had to just shampoo my scalp and wash it out. So I have lavender, I have lemongrass, and I have orange. And I'm using the lemongrass because it helps with the mosquitoes. Not to be sure you guys can see the mist. I never wanted to do this, you know. I never wanted to do this. But alas, here we go. Look at. Like, ever since I cut right here, it has never grown back. I kid you not. Let me show you where, like, for instance, the other parts reach. To show you the difference. Because I cut my hair this year again. Yeah, so this is where it reached. Last time it cut it to here. Like it was to here.